Hello, my name is Josue Morales. I'm a resident of a small town called Cashers in North Carolina, and I am currently finishing up my electrical/computer engineering degree at Southwestern Community College. That being said, I would like to thank you for considering me as a candidate for the job of computer engineer here in your facility. Like I mentioned before, I am currently finishing up my degree at Southwestern, and during my time there, I have learned all the necessary skills that are required for this job opening. Have plenty of hands-on experience with electrical equipment, being circuit boards for machinery, building computers. I've built plenty of those during my time, or simple electrical circuits that reside inside the walls that keeps the lights up and running. I have built plenty of circuits before that perform certain tasks that were given to me as projects. One of those projects was a security system that locks a door after it's been open for about 20 seconds. Building projects like these are fun for me. Instead of seeing it as work, I like to see it as a passion project. That being said, I still figure out a way to get these things done in time. That way there's no unnecessary time wasted, meaning you save time and money from this. So hopefully that's something you'll consider. While I have electrical experience, I also have network knowledge of setting up either a network or maintaining it. I have experience working with routers and switches, mostly on the terminal side of things, not the graphical user interface of them. While some of these devices have graphical interfaces, not all of them do. So knowing commands, knowing my way through the terminal is a step up from those that don't know how to use one without using the graphical interface. Of course, I know the protocols that are needed for each network layer, and I know how to distribute IP addresses depending on the class of address you have here. I haven't taken a look at it, but I'm sure you know how much of a pain it is to distribute IP addresses using binary. Luckily, I was taught a method to use a graph to distribute these IP addresses, which makes it easier. I'm sure your current network is fine, but if I can give you a scenario in which it goes down and you have to hire an outside source to fix it, it would be easier for having me have a look at it, and I'll have it up and running in no time. That way you'll save money and time, not worrying about having to hire someone from the outside. So if you would consider that as well. Lastly, I've experienced programming. Like building circuits, programming comes naturally to me as breathing does. At SEC, I was taught to use C++ as a starting programming language. While it isn't high level like Python or Java, it still lays out the key foundations for those higher level programming languages. However, I'm sure you're aware, C++ is still incredibly useful, especially for Arduinos. Arduinos basically are endless possibilities because they're small little machines that can do huge tasks just through programming them and setting them up. I have created plenty of these projects using microcontrollers, like a sound detector that emits bright lights when it hears loud noises, a mini traffic light with functional crosswalk, and a small handheld game that can communicate with another device through radio frequencies so they can play together. I'm sure you have big machines around here that perform certain tasks, but with an Arduino, you can cut space and time and money, since these things can probably perform those tasks for minimal effort. So I can do that if you so please. So any electrical, networking, or programming issues you have here or need, I could accomplish, and I'm very confident in my abilities to do so. So I hope you'll consider me for the position of computer engineer for your facility. Again, my name is Josue Morales, and thank you for your time.